Hi, my name is Brian Drollinger. I'm a certified health coach with Take Shape for Life. Over 7 years ago, I dropped over 20 pounds of fat in 1 month, and I've kept it off. And what's even more amazing is that I've helped thousands of people throughout the country do the same through our certified health coaches. We have a network of certified health coaches around the country that do the same thing with people all over the place, which is help them lose weight and keep it off. And so what I would like to talk to you about right now is how this program works. Well, first of all, we have a great, like I said, network of health coaches that are helping people throughout the country, and that's a free service to you. It doesn't cost you a dime. These are people that have lost weight and kept it off, people that are using the program, understand how it works, and they can help you. Next is our meal replacements, and these are medically formulated meal replacements. And what's so unique about them is the fact that each meal replacement we have, and there's over 70 of them, have only 100 calories. They have 24 vitamins and minerals. They have everything. They're all nutritionally balanced for you. And they will fill you up for about 2 to 3 hours, yet they only give you about 100 calories. Now that is amazing in itself, and it's a great product that we use with our program. Now without the program, without the health coaches, without all that, you're not going to have as much success. So what I want you to do is I want you to click on the button that says registration and go ahead and fill out the information. What we'll have is we'll have a health coach get back to you, and they will let you know more about the program, what it's all about, maybe give you a sample or two of the products, and then you can make up your mind what you want to do with this program. But if you do nothing, obviously nothing's going to happen. So make sure that you fill out the information and let us know about yourself, a little bit about yourself, so we can have one of our certified health coaches get back in contact with you. Thanks.